Samsung has finally started rolling out stable OneUI 8.5 update. The update is around 4.4 gigabytes in size for the non-beta users. Here is the change log from a user, as you can see. Update is available right now for users in South Korea. So when will other Galaxy users get it? Well, according to Sam Mobile, stable OneUI 8.5 will gradually roll out in coming days, and around May 11th, it will be available for most of the regions out there, like Europe, North America, India, and Middle East. The update is now also available for Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 users in South Korea. This is a massive update, much bigger than the one from last year. With this update, we're getting many of the Galaxy S26 AI features and some visual changes, like the icons have now a bit of 3D or depth effect. Few of these new features include audio eraser for third-party apps like YouTube. You can just swipe down to get rid of background noise in different apps. Then we're getting the new quick panel, where you can do way more adjustment than before. You can place these sliders both vertically and horizontally, plus you can change the size of these toggles. Galaxy S25 is also getting that new document scanner. It is different from the letter T you had before on your Galaxy phone for years. This new document scanner is much better and has some nice animations with a lot of editing tools that will make your life easier. Partial screen recording is also making its way to Galaxy S25 users. You can adjust the screen recorder before starting. It's a lot handy and saves a bit of time with that editing we did before. In Gallery, we're getting continuous image generation with text prompts. There's also Creative Studio app that you can try out. Call screening feature is also there for Galaxy S25 with this update. Bixby got smarter too with this update. It uses more natural language and explains a bit more than before, as it uses Perplexity AI. In the camera app, we're still not getting that 24 megapixel mode, as it is still reserved for Galaxy S26, but maybe Samsung will introduce it later on. Similarly, for the final stable build, summary and priority notifications have been also excluded, and they are not there on Galaxy S25 with OneUI 8.5 update. Let me know in the comment section if you have got this update yet or not on your Galaxy S25. I'll post a video soon on first things that you should do after getting this update, and with that said, I'll catch you in the next one.